The future of warfare is being written in algorithms, a new language of conflict. Artificial intelligence, once the realm of science fiction, is rapidly transforming the landscape of military power, bringing futuristic visions to life. No longer a theoretical concept, AI is being integrated into weapon systems and strategic planning, heralding a new era of autonomous warfare, where machines make critical decisions. This technological revolution is not merely about upgrading weaponry. It is about fundamentally altering the nature of conflict, changing how wars are fought and won. Imagine battlefields where decisions are made at lightning speed, not by human minds, but by algorithms capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring precision and efficiency. This is the promise and peril of the AI arms race, a double-edged sword of innovation. As nations pour resources into developing ever more sophisticated AI, the stakes have never been higher, with global power dynamics hanging in the balance. This is not just a race for technological superiority, it's a race to shape the future of warfare itself, redefining the rules of engagement. The question is, are we ready for a world where machines hold the power of life and death, and what ethical boundaries will we set?
The race for AI dominance is a global competition with several key players vying for the lead in this high-stakes arena. The United States, with its unparalleled technological prowess and deep pockets, remains a dominant force in AI research and development, pushing the boundaries of innovation. From autonomous drones to advanced cyber warfare capabilities, the U.S. military is actively integrating AI across its operations, enhancing both efficiency and effectiveness.
China, with its ambitions of becoming the world leader in AI by 2030, is a formidable contender in this technological race. With massive investments in research and a vast pool of data to fuel its AI algorithms, China is rapidly